everybody, Jackie here from Be-You-Tiful Jewels. I am a paparazzi accessories consultant, and I want to show you a really cool tip of how you can utilize some of your bracelets with your scarf. Now, if you never heard of Paparazzi Accessories, we sell $5 jewelry and everything is nickel and lead free. So let me give you a couple of tips. Okay, this is a really cool idea. What you're gonna do is you can use any kind of scarf that you want. I would prefer silk, but this is all I have. So right now what you're gonna do is you're gonna even out your scarf. Hold your bracelet, loop this side through. Okay, and hold your bracelet because you don't want your bracelet to go all the way down. And then this end is gonna go through here, through the scarf. Okay, and then you're gonna pull that through like a tie, and you're gonna tighten it up as much as you can. Just give it a little tug there, okay, all around, so it can be like a little small knot. And you're going to wrap it around, okay, and just bring it down, just play with it, okay, and look how cute that looks. You can, like, at the bottom make a little knot here, okay, and leave this one over it. Look how pretty is that? Isn't that cute? I love that. I love this idea. It's so cool. And you can do this with these kind of bracelets that has a nice chunky design to it. You can do it with bangles, okay, and do it with stretchy bracelets that got a whole bunch of charms in it, and it will look so beautiful when you style your scarf. It could be any kind of scarf, okay? So just play around with it, and if you do your own designs, I want to see, post it. I want to see what you come up with, okay? Check me out. All my links are at the bottom. Come and follow me, and so you can check out some other tips, okay? Thanks everybody for watching. Take care. Bye.